surveying instrument. This is total station. Surveying instrument. This is prism. This is total station. Power on. Bubble. Power off. Vertical tangent screw. Horizontal tangent screw. Battery. Objective lens. Eyepiece. So this is the instrument called as total station. So in this different varieties of companies are there. So here we are using you can see Pentax is the company name in which we are using. Okay, so the person he is going and fixing the total station at a station point. You can observe. So he is fixing the total station to the tripod stand. Once after fixing it to the tripod stand, so like all other instruments, initially you have to check. You can see here the bubble tube as well as another bubble tube is also there. You can observe here at the bottom. Yeah, this is another bubble tube. So these two bubble tubes must be leveled for ensuring that the centering process is done. So initially you can see here he is doing the leg adjustment and making the bubble tube coming to the center. You can observe with the help of leg adjustment, tripod leg, he will be adjusting the bubble to the center. Next procedure is as the same. So we will be placing the instrument parallel to any foot screws, and he is operating and ensuring that you can see the bubble is coming to the center. Yeah, once after making it center, again turn 90 degrees and again operate the third screw. Yeah, you can observe. So he is operating the third foot screw. You can observe the bubble is coming to the center portion. Okay, once it is bubbled to the center portion, again you cross verify by turning it again parallel to 2 foot screws. Any minor adjustment is required. You can see second time also it gone. So again you need to ensure that you should get correct leveling. Yeah. Okay, you can observe it is leveled. Next one, again turn it to 90 degrees and ensure it is perfectly leveled. You can observe once after doing the topmost one, the bubble which is present on the tripod stand itself, automatically it will also be leveled and it is coming onto the center portion. You can observe. Okay, only just minor adjustment we are doing. Now you can observe we are switching on the instrument. Yeah, this R425 VN is the model number of the total station which we are using. Yeah, you can see here. So it is showing here on the screen as mode A, which is having horizontal angle 92 degrees and vertical angle 90 degrees. And next one is the slope distance. SD is nothing but slope distance. So you can see here what are the options that are present: measurement, target, zero set, display, as well as mode. So for measurement of any type of experiment, we need to go with doing with the mode A. So directly if you want to measure anything, directly you can use mode A, or initially if you fix all the things, then you should start means you should press the F5 button. Okay, then it will change to mode B. You can observe. Okay, so once after entering into the mode B, after making all the temper adjustments, the initial step is we have to make it zero set with respect to north direction. You can observe here you have placed the magnetic compass on the top of the total station for ensuring we are fixing the instrument, making it 00 to the north direction. Next, I will be directing the person, you can observe, to come him to set to the setting. Yeah, some more. Okay. Okay. So we will be directing the person and fixing the ranging rod to fix at 00. Then after that you can observe there is one option here that is called as zero set. Okay. Next what we will be doing is we will be fixing zero north direction and we will be setting zero set with respect to north direction. For that what we have to do is you have to press F3 button 2 times. You can observe the horizontal angle it came to 00 and the vertical angle we got it as 90 degrees. Like this, initially you have to make the instrument zero set with respect to the north direction. You can see the plumb bob which is present at the station point, and the point where the plumb bob is kept, that is called as station point. So from station point we have fixed the instrument and we have made it center 0 0 with reference to the north direction by using the zero set option.
Surveying lab experiment, determination of a given area using total station. Instruments required: total station, tripod, prism, plumb bob.
So today our experiment is determination of area using total station. So this is the total station instrument in which it is fitted with a plumb bob. So the plumb bob is showing the station point. So you can observe this is the ranging rod which it is showing the north direction, and if you can observe the ranging rods away, this is the first boundary point, okay, and coming for the next one, this is the second boundary point, next third boundary point, and next one is the fourth boundary point. You can observe that is with the prism. So here I have taken 4 boundary points, and our aim is to determine what is the area enclosed in between the 4 boundary points using the, this is the 5th one. So our aim is to determine what is the area enclosed between the 5 boundary points using total station equipment. Now we are pressing F5 button and we are changing it to mode B. Okay, you can observe mode B. Then after that press F1 button. Okay, fix this one. Okay, and you can observe here what are the things that are there. That is file, measurement, view, free stake as well as page. So first initially we have to create one file. For that press F1. Then after that you will be getting information, create, select, delete, all clear. So for doing any type of work, first initially we have to create one file. Okay, you can observe he's press F5 and create a file. For that you give one name. Okay, you can observe he's creating the file name with area. So our experiment is to calculate the area. Here we are creating the file name as area and press OK. The file is being created. Okay, then after that whether the file is created or not, we will re-verify it again. For that go to select, press enter. Here job list search, job name, job list search, back. Go to job list search, press enter. Yeah, you can see, observe the area is created with date 6/10/2020. Okay, like this we will have to create the file. So after making the file creation, next one is the measurement of the area. For that go to F2 and press the measurement option. In that you will be having rectangular coordinates, polar coordinates, rectangular polar coordinates. Next one is the IH measure, that is nothing but instrument height measure. So as we are taking on the plain ground, we should consider only the rectangular coordinates, and I am selecting the rectangular coordinates. Then you have to give what are the coordinates for station points. For the remaining points, automatically the instrument will generate the coordinates. So station point, we will be pressing enter. Then here you can see PN, that is nothing but point number 1. There you should give enter. Enter. There you give it as station point. This is called station point. There you will write it as station code as SP. You can observe we got the station point code as SP. Okay, press enter. Next we have to give what are the coordinates in x direction. Enter. So I am giving his station point as 1000 meters. Then press enter. Similarly, y coordinate also again 1000 meters I am giving. Next enter. Next z direction. So as we are that is the depth of the thing. So it is confined with only 100 meters. Next one is enter. You have to measure what is the instrument height. You can see here the instrument height is nothing but from line of collimation to the bottom of the instrument. You can see here that is the mark given which is showing the line of collimation, and we have to measure it with the help of a measuring tape, and we got it as, so you enter the same, that is 1.380 meters is the height of the instrument. Next press OK, enter. Okay, then this point code. We can keep the point code. Why? Because this point will act as the first point. So here point code you should give it as 1. Okay, next press yes, enter. 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 Next you have to give accept. Okay, this is how the coordinates are taken. Once after fixing what are the coordinates as well as instrument height at station point, the next point is measure what are the coordinates of the different points. You can observe we are clicking the third option, that is measure. Yeah. You can observe the person is taking the prism and he will be moving on to the first point from which we have to calculate the area. So from this eye vein you have to observe what is the point. Okay, so from that you have to focusing. You can observe what is there in the screen, that is point name. Okay, XYZ coordinates, and you can see here measurement, save, measure and save, edit options are there. Okay, so what we should do is initially after focusing directly we have to note the measure button. If you write the measure button, you can see it is taking down the reading. Okay, you can see here at the time of setting the prism onto the ground also what is the bubble that is present, that one we have to ensure it must be in center position also. Okay, up to the possible extent. Okay, so we will be focusing the prism, okay, up to center point. From there we will be focusing the instrument and we will get the reading. After focusing and taking the reading, you can observe what is the reading. You can see here x direction 1005. Next one is point and z direction, xy direction. The point coordinates were shown. Once after taking the thing, the person who is handling the prism, he will be moving on to the second point. Okay, similarly we are turning the instrument without disturbing the instrument. Okay, we got here, he came to the second point. Now again focus. Okay, and again we got the readings as, you can see here 25, 8 and 99 point. This is for station 2. Like this you have to take what are the points at other 3 points also you should take. Next we will see how to calculate area from the given points. For that, what we should do is, initially you have to select what is the file you should take. For that, we should go with mode B. Okay, then after that special function, then go to file, then come to select, then job list search. Okay, so here for showing the example, I have taken Sunil, one file is there, that one is selected. Then after that, getting back, then again you should go to page, then you can see calculation. Here we are calculating only the 2D surface. Okay, if you are going for volume, you can see here, that is also it is there, 3D surface and volume. So now I need area for 2D surface. I am entering. So these are the 12 points which we have taken. Okay, then after that you should select all. Okay, then accept. You can see here directly it is showing the area. You can see here 341.4040 meter square is the area which is enclosed with that 12 points. Like this, that may be 12 points or 100 points. What is the area enclosed between the points? Directly we will be getting in the instrument itself. No need of any calculator, no need of any calculation, no need of any drawing. Directly from the field itself, we can measure what is the area of the given field by using the total station.